What's up guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we want to do a little bit of myth busting. So often we see comments on our videos that you guys build these soft ride diesel trucks, they are totally useless, they no longer serve their purpose. So today we want to prove you guys wrong. So we took this 2015 Ram 2500 set up with 37-inch tires, a fully optioned Carli Suspension Pintop leveling kit, and we figured we'd make a towing video with it. But instead of doing your typical wakeboard boat or throwing a grandpa's Mustang on a car trailer behind it, we figured we'd max out the actual capacity of this truck. So we grabbed a heavy-duty gooseneck, a skid steer tractor, and the bucket to go with it, and we figured we'd tow it around town and see what she did. This 2015 Ram 2500 has the complete catalog thrown at it. For suspension, it has the Carli Suspension Pintop leveling system, as well as a couple upgrades. It has the fabricated radius arms and the torsion sway bar. That Pintop leveling kit by itself includes 2 soft ride front coils, 4 custom tuned King shocks, as well as an adjustable track bar. For wheels, it has the Innovate 17-inch race wheels with it, as well as a 37-inch Nitto Ridge grappler. So aesthetically, I think this truck turned out killer, and I think you guys are gonna see that it can perform just as well. Now, you guys have seen a ton of our videos. You know a lot of this stuff that we build performs very well on and off the highway. Off-road performance of this truck is great. We've actually taken this truck from California up into Nevada, all through dirt, and you're able to do that. The truck survives, and you're actually able to jump on the highway once you hit Nevada and come back on the highway without issues. I think when we did that trip, we averaged 50 miles an hour. So it's really not the covered wagon feel that you have from your stock truck. The off-road performance is greatly improved, as well as the on-road ride. This system is a very versatile system that's going to allow you to do all the things that you want to do with the diesel truck that you bought. Speaking of doing everything you want, you probably bought this diesel truck because you want to tow, and this is the system for you. Again, this truck, we already mentioned the off-road performance, but as you can see from this video, the hauling performance of this truck is excellent. We essentially set this truck at its absolute factory rated max for hauling and have no issues. As you can see, we're able to tow the skid steer, the trailer, the bucket all around town without issues. With 37s, oftentimes we have guys hear about a rumor that a truck with 37-inch tires can't shift into 6th gear. This is a 2500, so the 6.7 with a 68 transmission. Zero issue shifting into 6th gear. This truck has hauled plenty of times without issue. And yeah, you're really not gonna find a more versatile kit than this. You're able to off-road, you're able to get an improved street ride, as well as hit the max towing capacity of the truck without issue. So this really is a very slick setup. For those of you who are looking at like maybe the 3-inch Carli systems or some of the ones that come with full spring packs, things like that, you are actually capable of doing all of these things with your truck. With those setups where you soften up the rear springs, you may need to supplement with like a Timbren or an airbag, and we'll have videos in the future on those parts. But just know, some of these videos will have comments on them about lack of towing capability. That is not an issue with a Carli suspension system or a diesel truck on 37-inch tires. We figured we would just make a quick video that showed you guys what the truck was actually capable of and hopefully bust a few myths in the process. So yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this setup, hauling, things like that, please feel free to comment them down below. Subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next one.